On this video, I'm gonna tell you what is blockchain and how does it work. So what is blockchain? Imagine you say apple, and here you say banana, and here we say rice. Okay, apple, banana, rice. It's block 1, it's block 2, and it's block 3. Okay, we just started. Block 1 is apple. We go to the block 2. Block 2, remember, you are apple. Okay, so apple is here. And we go to block 3. Now, block 3, remember, block 2 is banana. And block 4, block 5, and all of them. So that is why blockchain, this is how blockchain works. It means all the blocks can remember the last block. But sometimes, but in the real world, a block can be something like this, a name like this, instead apple or banana or rice or any other name. It has a unique ID. Blocks are remember, and any block remember the last block. Okay, so what does it mean? If block 1 is this, and block 2 is this, and block 3 is this, so what is going on? Block 1 is this, okay? Block 2 is this, but remember, block 1 is this. Block 3 is this, and he knows block 2 is this. This is block 3, and remember this. And this is block 2, and remember block 1. Thank you guys to watch. Don't forget subscribe and like this video.